Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language, dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 15. The Knife. On the 24th of the month Wasi of the year Dalv, 1212 Hijri at Davgiri, I had a dream. I saw a knife, very fine and glittering. Its handle was made of fish tooth, at the edge of which was set a cornelian. Holding it in my hand, I praised it and offered it with a sheet of cloth as a robe of honor to the famous saint of Bangalore, Suti Sahib. Mir Muinuddin said that it was an excellent knife, and he would purchase it from Suti Sahib and bind it to his handkerchief. And I said to Mir Muinuddin that I would give him a handle of sword made of jasper. In the meantime I rose. It was morning. End of Dream 15.